Hi and welcome. In this video, I'll talk about the Snow Sky Melody. Also, Snow Sky is a sub-brand from Vio, and this thing is your typical dual CS43131 and costing around, well, I checked earlier on AliExpress, this thing costed like 34 US dollar. There's a back to school sale going on right now, so yes. Before I begin, let me thank Vio for providing the melody for this review. But rest assured, as always, my review is 100% my own personal opinion and Vio has no input in this review. Also, by the way, the leather case is not included. You have to purchase it separately. Oh, by the way, my unit is the maple color. I wish I got the walnut, but hey, I'm thankful Vio already sent me this maple unit for review, so haha, thank you so much Vio. Please send me more. Anyway, jokes aside, we are greeted with a quick start guide, and previously the melody was here, and we get an accessory box. Previously, the C2C cable was here, and warranty card. The leather case is not a box, but it's just a plastic type thing. It's just like this. And where is the dongle and the leather case itself with the C2C cable? Here it is. But before we move on, I will do a quick recap. What we get inside the box is the melody itself, a short C2C cable which is actually braided and kinda nice, a manual and a warranty card, and the leather case is not included. Okay, now let's talk about the build quality. Let's see if I can... Yes. The Snow Sky Melody feels okay to hold. The wood itself is real wood. It is lightweight. And as I said, I prefer the walnut color. But my unit is the maple wood, so it is what it is. But again, the preferences of every people are different, so yeah. But in my opinion, the maple wood looks a bit cheap without any filter. Though in a way, melody still fits in a cheap dongle category. On the top part, there's the Snow Sky logo. On the right side of the device, you got yourself a volume up and a volume down. And this also works for multifunction for track selection. And on the left side, there's nothing. Bottom part, there's a single-ended and 4.4 balance jack. And on the back, there's this Snow Sky engraving. And on the top part of the device, there's your Type-C port. So, yeah, the build is okay. Also for a budget with real wood, it actually kinda nice in a way. As for the leather case itself, well, it's more like a sleeve rather than a case, but it is what it is. And for the leather case, they also have multiple colors, so you can pick it according to your personal preferences. As for the specs, the Snow Sky Melody, as I said, uses dual CS43131, and it does sound like your typical CS43131, and the output power with the single-ended jack rated at 100 mW at 32 ohms, balance jack 250 at 32 ohms. Okay, so what's the features of the Snow Sky Melody? 1. Retro design. 2. Vio control compatible. 3. They marketed this with DSP, but well, it's just an EQ via control app. And this thing supports SPDIF and can be used as USB DAC amp for your PC or laptop and your typical wired dongle. And this can be used for call. It supports inline control too. As for the app, there's an option to enable and disable DRE, not Dr. Dre. Basically, from what I understand, the DRE thing is to somewhat enhance dynamic range, and it also removes Cirrus Logic distortion hump. And there's DAC work mode. There's class AB and class H. In short, class H consume less battery. And there's also your typical filter selection. Okay, for the sound, I will describe the Snow Sky Melody with default sound settings out of the box, and most likely, I will sound like a broken record at this point for every CS43131 review, like the dongle stuff with the dual CS43131, but anyway, haha, it is what it is. Tonality in general, it's neutral, like your typical CS43131 tonality, slightly musical and fun sounding, just a tiny bit to keep things more engaging. For the bass, it's bouncy, has quite deep extensions, and all I can say is to describe the bass, it sounds kinda rounded off but not dull. And too bad, Melody seems like it didn't have enough power to control DT990 to 50 ohms and HD600 series bass. For the mid-range, it's neutral, not exactly thin nor thick either. Vocals and instrument sounds normal, just like your typical CS43131 dongle, which is not a bad thing because the Melody is like costing 34 USD with the sale going on, and it has a lot of features, kinda in a way. As for treble, it's smooth, but it has good extension and kinda, well, if the price still 34, it has a very nice details for that price. Okay, for technicalities, it's very good, especially for a 34 USD back to school sale price. Let's start with the stage. Stage is white with excellent stage layering. For the price, it's very good. Imaging also very good because it is 34 USD. The Melody definitely can handle holographic imaging if your IM or headphones can present the holographic thing in the first place, but don't expect miracles out of nowhere by using Melody, your KZ IM or your very budget, Miniso IM to become holographic. No, it doesn't make miracles. As for separation and positioning, it's very good. I can easily pinpoint and discern what and where the sound is coming from with the Melody. No complaints, especially for 34 US dollar. The tele retrieval, very good. It can extract a lot of details for 34 US dollar. Also why I always revert back to US dollar and price, because at this point, all of the CS43131, those dongles with dual CS43131, is just price battle and features. So, the cheaper you get the CS43131 type dongle, the better the technicalities. Well, in context with the price. For comparison, I will compare it with Kiwi Ears Allegro Pro, costing 60 USD with normal price. The Allegro Pro lacks the feature that Melody offers, but if you want a more compact, like wired only dongle, well, it's not wired, it's literally just plug into your phone and sticks on your phone. And more analytical sound presentation, maybe the Allegro Pro suits you more. But if you want the convenience of this product, like let's say you wanna use this with your PC and you want to use a more longer cable and stuff, yeah, this is more convenient. As for the conclusion, I can recommend the Snow Sky Melody if you are into CS43131 or more, like you are starting out and you can find this for 34 USD, just grab it. It's a very good deal. Sure, it doesn't have the bells and whistles and, from the expensive dongle, but for starting and for 34 USD, this offer a very good value for the money. Also, as always, self-ads time. I open a music mixing and mastering. Let's say you want to cover a certain song and you only have your vocal take and an instrumental file of the song. No worries, I can mix and master it for you. Or if you have all the stems, you record everything yourself, that's even better, easier for me to mix. And not only that, I also create commissions for loopable BGM like the one you hear right now. And yeah, that's it. If you found this review helpful, leave a like, hit subscribe, and share this video with your friends. That's all from me for now. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.